first time driving the M5. 550 on deck.
What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Posted. We're back at it again. Today we're gonna take the car to the new house for the first time. It's gonna be his first time meeting the house. We're gonna check in on some things, take some measurements, but it'll be my first time driving Stratus there, so it'll be cool to get the vibe and see, you know, the full effect on having the whip at the new house. So I'll take you guys along for the ride. You know, you guys are family. I know my posting schedule has been crazy lately, and I deeply apologize for that, guys. It's been a little hectic moving into a new spot, starting a new job, but rest assured, once we get moved into the spot within the next couple weeks, everything should return back to normal and get this content out to you guys that I've been sitting on for a while. I just haven't had means to do the editing or anything since I haven't had any time. But thank you guys again for rocking with me. Now let's go find out where Michelle is and let's get this show on the road. I don't know where she went. Oh, there she is, lurking in the basement. You about ready?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. Let's roll.
And connect with family, friends, and the things that matter most. That's why there's access.
Oh yeah, back in the coop, baby. This is what I'm talking about. This is where I feel at home. Man, I gotta turn this commercial off. Dang, that thing was plastic. But yeah, I feel at home. So we just made it to the new house for the first time in the M3, and as we pull up I see that our door is finally painted red, looking good. Let's take a look inside. Oh yeah, look, the walls are freshly painted, floors are freshly clean. We just gotta get the rest of that paint stuff up. New floor in the bathroom. It is dark in here. What is going on? There we go. Let's get some light in here. Now you can see the floor a little bit. Got a new wood grain in there. Toilet to be coming soon right here. Got the whole master and the guest all done. Oh, and look at the view you have from here. Oh, what a view. These windows need to be clean though. Kind of dusty in there. But let's go ahead and come around to the kitchen. Not very large, but it'll do. Boom, boom. I think we got some light. No, light is a no-go. Countertops look good. Floor looks good. Appliance there. Good to go. And now here's the second living room where I will have my game room set up. So everything is repainted. We just took out the track lighting and got a fan put in. Got a fireplace over here. It's looking good in here so far. It's not quite done, but it'll get there. We got this door repainted. Let's go check outside. Ooh, this is the best part. We walk out the door, boom. We got a big patio. I don't know why that table is there, but we got a big deck. Nice spot to put more furniture over here and chill. Put a little rug down, outdoor rug, and put some outdoor furniture over there and be looking good. If you look over here, we got all this yard, nice big tree. This stuff will be gone, but look at this. Got a nice backyard, plenty of space. We're gonna end up putting the tall bamboo divider here so that we have a little more privacy back here. I don't think we'll put it around the neighbors, but we'll definitely put it against the street. It'll look a little better too. I'll show you guys the real pride and joy of this spot though. Now y'all know I need a garage, right? So when we're looking at houses, there's plenty in our price range that had a small garage or no garage at all. But if you guys come with me, if I can open the door, boom, boom, lights on, wow. Got a big old 2-car garage. Getting new garage doors installed within the week. But yeah, we got plenty of room in here for both cars and a lot of storage area. All this will be gone. We'll have a lot of storage area up here for my stuff, the power washer, the lawnmower, you name it. All the car goods, everything will be up over there. So still a work in progress, but it's all coming together. We technically move in next weekend, so there's a lot that needs to be done within that time. Just keeping it real. Let's step out on the side yard over here. We got our other welcome mat. Boom. That's not our chair. That will be gone. But we can set up a nice little sitting area out here if we want and sit in the side yard too. And backyard is right there. Y'all can see how stupid these garage doors look. Thank God they're getting changed out. But yeah, that's pretty much an overview of the house. Not too much to it, but definitely a nice place. And the fact that we're over here off Woodward, you know, we can go out here and get it cracking properly without any hesitation and assemble the squad without flaw. You know what I mean? So, Michelle, say what up.
What up?
There it is. The nice view from the front. You know, we don't have any other houses to look at. We just got a pickleball court over there, a little park, a little school, and of course, she will be in the garage. But for now, that's a hell of a shot. I might need to go get me a picture. And matter of fact, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So that's all from us. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the quick little tour and the drive. More to come later. Next week or two we should be done with everything, so we'll have an update video for you guys when we get everything set up. As usual, if you haven't clicked subscribe, please make sure you take a second to click that red button. Alright y'all, love you all. Peace.